Hi there, welcome to the Skynet development series again. This is a live coding bug fixing session. Um, if you've been watching, you realize that you're not supposed to hit E on the load screen or it hangs. I consider that pretty fatal and annoying since it just started happening. So I'm going to fix it. So this is basically live coding bug fixing. I'll try and keep you up with what I'm doing here, but I don't talk as much in these ones. Okay, so I'm going to switch to the terminal. I'm going to search for the execute function. And then, okay, so the execute function basically gathers all the text from the terminal, and then it actually does a trigger. It throws the code, and it's caught somewhere else, and we're going to go somewhere else. This is the main of Skynet. It's where the interesting stuff about above PX2 is put. Well, actually, where the interesting stuff just is, where it's been written, sorry. So, basically, this is where the default Lisp code handler is. This is kind of an interesting idea about Skynet. For some reason, I see the idea of triggering and throwing Lisp code around to be handled by different evaluators and stuff like that is going to be an essential part to the internals. Not quite sure why, but it seems like it would be pretty cool to me. Kind of got this sort of like neuron signals sort of feeling. So, but one thing, I've just made a mistake. This isn't where the Lisp code handler is actually handled. Terminal. Oh, wait, I know where it is. The notebook. So the listener is actually called an application called a notebook. I just title it the listener. Maybe I'll switch the name later. So the notebook is the application that actually handles the thrown Lisp code. That's pretty much all it does, actually. And this is where the code is. So, CPU spike throws a Lisp code. Just kind of looking over to see where a CPU spike could happen. That's part of the fun of this one. So we're just going to try that. Maybe we'll try and see if we can break. We can. Wrong button. Okay. There we go. And we are in read. Yeah. I think I might know what it is. When we rip or scrape the terminal, no, we do add new lines. Or, let's see. C equals undefined. We ran out of buffer. Okay, I think I got it. Here's another Chrome bug, maybe? Yeah. Okay, well, repeat what I just did and you can maybe find that one out. Okay. So we just fixed it. We did. But that wasn't quite perfect. Thinking there. I don't particularly like that that's not working. So that wasn't the best way of handling that. We did solve the CPU spike, but Okay, so it looks like it's eating the whole buffer as a comment. Wish I knew what that was. Because that should. Sure, that's 42 spaces. And then this should be a new line. Wonder if that would work. It's easy to try. I think. I still don't think this is going to fix it. This would be a horrible hack. But, yeah. It didn't even work. It has no new lines in it. Okay, so why don't you have any new lines in you? See what code is coming out of the terminal. That looks like it has new lines in it. Does it? we're going to look at the individual characters of that string. We're going to assume that's a new line. So that has new lines in it. Not sure what's wrong here. What is going wrong? Always. All this code is trying to do is to read up to the end of the line. Now, what is going wrong? I hope this isn't a JavaScript-ism. Just as simple as this being and. I've been looking at that. Fuck. Sorry, naughty language. I was looking at that or the whole time going, why is that or? That must have made sense. Huh. We're gonna leave that in. We're gonna leave this in. For you in the audience that were sitting there screaming at me, going, "It should be should be an and, not an or there, you idiot." Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Anyways, now we now we fixed that glaring bug. Oops. So we're gonna commit that. Fix CPU spike on load after evaluation bug. And we aren't going to bother to version because that's just a good thing to have. So there we go. I'm assuming this is the end of this episode because that was what the point of this episode was to fix that bug. Sorry it was so obvious in the end, but most bugs usually end up that way. So thanks for watching. Music again is VARND, like one of the other episodes. So if you don't know what that means, go back and watch. And yeah, thanks for watching, and tune in next time.